in
Yeah.
both places?
No, they want to just be very good. The music should be closer to the guests. So I don't think they can hear.
So we're going now?
There we go, that's better.
Okay, right. My beautiful Ellen Vanessa Chiyangwa, you know, in Seychelles. We, at the background there you can see the Indian Ocean. This is my daughter. We have a wedding tomorrow. And the beautiful Michelle is right here. You know, we all came with Mama over there. You know, the Chirongas are on the one side, and the Chiyangwa is on this side. The background is still fun. Over there, you can also see right there. People can see there's a wedding also there. Ellen is, you know, going from the gym to the gym. So we won't be having Ellen, you know. There's no more expenditure on this one.
Funny guy. Funny guy. I'm knocking at your door.
Yeah, okay. The life here, Ellen. So how has it been?
It's been really incredible. I mean, as you can see, I'm going to take you on a tour.
Yeah.
So I need to go eat just now.
Okay.
But over there, we've got the Indian Ocean.
Right over there.
Yeah.
That's what she's talking about.
Indian Ocean.
Wow,
And
that's the Indian Ocean right there. Right.
And we have our villas at the back there. Ooh, careful this car.
I just want this.
Yeah.
I just want this bridge. I just want this part of yeah, part. Okay.
Hi.
This is
I'm staying out of it.
So with Ellen in Seychelles, you know, my beautiful girls here, you know. Right?
Everyone's going to be saying, where's your selfie stick? We left it in the bedroom. We're having too much fun to remember all of that.
Ellen, just fetch my bag. What is my bag?
Woo! We got it. We got it. We got it.
You got me there, you know, having fun with my girls right here in Seychelles. PC, the king of selfies, with Ellen, Michelle, right here, right? Signing up. Cheers, eh?
Yeah, it's fine. I'll tell you when it's on. That's the first thing I said to mom when I What did you put on this? Hi, Dad.
Hello, Mitch. Hello. Hello, how you doing? Where's my boo there? Right here in Seychelles. Here. Seychelles. We are right here in Seychelles. Don't pass the kuno. Don't pass the kuno. beauty of Seychelles.
It's so sunny today for the first time.
Exactly.
Like, really?
No, but it's like perfect weather. Because it's not Janet. Janet?
You want to see the tortoise?
I'm not gonna my shirt on.
Alright. Oh, just peep in. 309 rooms. Suites. Okay. And what else?
And we are part of it's a spa villa. It is a family villa, the boss family villa, and presidential villa. We are now going to presidential villa.
Presidential villa.
It's very expensive.
Okay.
The starting price 70 euro. 70.
Euro per day.
70,000 euro.
70,000. Wow. For how many days?
Per night. Per
Okay.
1 day and night.
7,000.
70,000.
70,000.
Yes.
Not 7,000.
Yes.
It's just
No,
show me 70,000.
70,000.
Whoa! Per night.
Yes, per night.
Guys, this guy is going to show me 70,000 per night.
Yes.
Show me.
I will show you.
Yeah, I'll show how he's taking me to the 70,000 per night villa in the presidential suites, which is another far end side of this particular 250 hectare development in the Seychelles, which is probably, this is the largest development.
It's largest spa.
This is the largest spa. Okay, it's a spa villa. Wow, wonderful.
It is our adventures. Rock climbing and rock climbing.
Rock climbing here?
Rope
Okay.
It is our sea and restaurant. We have 5 restaurants here.
5 restaurants.
Here.
Okay.
It's one of our restaurants here.
This is a restaurant here. Down there, you can see it there. 5 restaurants and so. Why do you have 5 restaurants? Is it because of different cuisine?
Yes, one on north side, and other one here, and another one in south side.
Okay. Oh, north, south. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
Looks at it's an rock climbing.
Oh, right. Just that one to climb over there. You can climb. Rock climbers can come here and have fun. This is all sports type facility in the Seychelles.
Yes.
Wow. Guys, this is PC right here in the Seychelles, enjoying himself with my friend here. What's your name, by the way?
Sir, Manoj,
Sam.
I'm from India.
Oh, you from India?
India.
Oh, okay.
Kerala.
Sam from India.
Yes.
Right here with PC in the Seychelles. Right in the Seychelles with Sam from India here. We are enjoying ourselves. You can see that right down we came from, down there. Wow, I'm taking big. It's a spa villa. Wow, wonderful.
It is our adventures. Rock climbing and rock climbing.
Rock climbing here?
Rope
Okay.
It is our sea and restaurant. We have 5 restaurants here.
5 restaurants.
Here.
Okay.
It's one of our restaurants here.
This is a restaurant here. Down there, you can see it there. 5 restaurants and so. Why do you have 5 restaurants? Is it because of different cuisine?
Yes, one on north side, and other one here, and another one in south side.
Okay. Oh, north, south. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
Looks at it's a rock climbing.
Oh, right. Just that one to climb over there. You can climb. Rock climbers can come here and have fun. This is old sport type facility in the Seychelles.
Yes.
Wow. Guys, this is PC right here in the Seychelles, enjoying himself with my friend here. What's your name, by the way?
Sir, Manoj,
Sam.
I'm from India.
Oh, you from India?
India.
Oh, okay.
Kerala.
Sam from India.
Yes.
Right here with PC in the Seychelles. Right in the Seychelles with Sam from India here. We're enjoying ourselves. You can see that right down we came from, down there. Wow, I'm being taken for a tour here. And let's see here how they cross each other. There's another one coming in front there. Yes, they give way to each other very well. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Can you mute? Okay, just we will go. Okay, no problem.
Right. There they go. There they go. I think it's giving him problems. Starting and stopping, starting and stopping.
So you look the right side, it's a north view.
Look at the views down there. Down there. And what's that there? It's that's the North Beach. I think we walked down there at some point in the morning. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, we were walking somewhere. Yeah, beautiful. With the marinas there and the yachiti, yachts in the river, in Seychelles. Wow, I'm gonna go and have an experience in one of them. Yeah, I got my friend Sam here from India. We're enjoying ourselves, going up the hill, to see what's happening here. That's it, yeah?
It's a starting to key villa. It's a one individual beach, everything.
That's a villa there, but it's protected. We're not permitted inside. It's worth 70,000 per night. That villa there.
I think more than 1,000 square feet here.
Okay. Wow.
Meter square.
1,000 square meters.
Yes.
And this is
To lick the yellow
okay.
rose.
The rock steps. If you read that there. We are in Seychelles with Tanaka we're here. This is Seychelles. How is it? Are you enjoying yourself? Yeah, we come here today, to witness our daughter's wedding tomorrow. I'm happy you came. When I was told you were coming, that is, when I was in Joburg yesterday, I said, oh my God, this is Josphat, my brother's friend. So Josphat, Shaman Yago is witnessing Ellen's wedding. Yeah, I wish you guys were here together, in spirit we're together. And your friend, that goes is right here. I hope you guys are happy that we are all here doing what we're going to do with your parents. And so, yeah, very good. We hope we're going to have a very nice time here. Yes. Yeah, this is Seychelles for you guys. And of course, he's the group chairman of the Moonlight Funeral Group, right? Moonlight Providence Association. Yeah, Moonlight Providence. Yeah, this is Seychelles. Right here, we are sitting with Matipan, the veteran lawyer. How is it, my friend? Yes, are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, man, lots of fun.
Yeah, wonderful. Matipan, yes, he's senior partner at the Matipan law firm in Harare. My law firms that are on my work. And we have come here to witness Ellen Chiyangwa's wedding to Tanaka Chironga in Seychelles. Are you enjoying the atmosphere which I
Oh, it's a bit windy.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, it's very good.
Oh, yes. Wonderful, Right, this is PC right here sitting with his friends at the beach shore of the Seychelles. And this is the Indian Ocean, which you can see right behind me there. That's the Indian Ocean. Somewhere there in between the trees, if you can see anything that looks like it's a smoke water, whatever, that's the Indian Ocean for you. Right? Over there, right there. We are sitting in the Seychelles. And this is PC, the king of selfies, sitting right here with Nakozwe and Matipano in Seychelles. Ladies and gentlemen, have fun right there. hold on.
You learned how to turn the thingy. Bravo.
Yeah. Yeah. So how is it?
It's amazing. It's been really good here in the Seychelles. Getting
Yeah.
ready, prepping up for the wedding.
Yeah. Right. This is Ellen Vanessa Chiyangwa. To be Ellen Vanessa Chiyangwa Chironga tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. So that's my daughter.
Yeah.
She has 3
Let's go
degrees.
this way. Let's go this way.
Oh, you want us to walk?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay. This is.
Let's do it like this.
Akazororwa zvino zvatishita nhasi. Asi when we look at all these things in life, nothing is possible kana Mwari vakatendeka vasingatungamirire. Naizvozvo ndakutenda Mwari nekutitungamirira kwavaita nekukukudza kwavaita Ellen. Tichiti kana zvaoma muupenyu, nothing is easy. Life is full of ups and downs. Pazvinenge zvanaka usakanganwe Mwari. Asi pazvinenge zvashata usakanganwe Mwari. Pane nguva yekuti kana zvarema kana kunamata chaiko isu vana kuwadzana zvinorema. Asi sana mai vako tangofunga kuti this little thing, this little book, kana zvarema. I didn't want to buy a big book because it will put you off. I bought a small book. Yekuti kana zvarema nekutonamata kwacho kwakuramba. You just open this book, read a prayer for every need. Ashita.
You don't do.
School director, residing at Colony Market. No consent is required in a marriage as religion, Christian. The witnesses Mr. Chiyangwa, or management consultant, and Michelle Chiyangwa, or businesswoman, both of Colony Market and the field. So now you two have to give your consent. Would you please, Tanaka, you look at Ellen? Do you, Tanaka Chironga, take Ellen Vanessa Chiyangwa as your lawful wife?
Absolutely, I do.
Okay, so will you read your background?
Ellen Vanessa, my friend, my best friend, my Nana. We are here today because of one simple principle: still holding. In good times, we've held one another. In difficult times, we've held one another. Our companionship, closeness, and commitment to each other through God is why we are here today. So on this day, I commit to this: to always remain holding no matter what, and never let go. Because God gave me you, and exactly a year later, He made me, and 28 years later, in front of all of our loved ones, we are about to become one. We will always be stronger together than apart. You inspire me to dream and to believe in myself. And it's that belief that has brought all our loved ones here today. I absolutely and completely love you. Need you because you complete me, and your love helps me grow stronger. My hardest days are those spent without you. My best days are those spent with you. Even though tomorrow isn't promised, what God is doing.
Bushungu. Pamsoro Mike Bushungu. Pamsoro Mangwin. Pamsoro Ivana Bushungu. Never Rora de Vese. Pamsoro Fakos. Pamsoro Mem Fakos. Pamsoro Chete. Pamsoro Ivana Fakos. Pamsoro Amane Shamari Matikuta. Manzwa tichimba tichiti makatendeka Jesu. Manzwa tichimba tichiti he is a faithful God. Nokuti rori zuva ratasvitswa natenzi kuda kwatenzi rakarongwa natenzi. Mwana achizvarwa vanhu vanouya vachiti nemakorokoto, baba vachitarisa mwana vachikudza mwana vanoshuvira kuona mwana wavo achikura, vagoshuvira mwana kuti adzidze, vagoshuvira kuti mwana aroorwe, vagoshuvira kuti mwana agoitawo vazukuru. When we look at all those things, all the boxes are ticked. Amen. Because of the grace of God. Amen. And so kurebesa. Trakutenda Mwari. Nemkwasho wedu watapiwa. Tikotenda Mwari. Nemwana wedu. Aita kuti tese tuungane pazuva ranhasi. Ratagoriswa natenzi. I'm going to focus on Ellen. But before I focus on Ellen, we want to welcome you, Tali. Semkwasha wedu semwana wedu komana. Marriage yenyu igokomborerwa naishetenzi. Ellen atidadisa nasi. Nokuti Ellen aita zvishuwo zvomubereki wese. Vakamukudza, vakamudzidzisa. Ellen akagara ku England. Kune vanogara ku England, upenyu hweku England munohuziva. There are a lot of families.
Yes, this is PC. Just dressed up right now, ready to go and take Ellen. And yeah, as the father of the bride, I'm just about to be picked up, and I'll be on my way to pick my daughter and hand him over to one Tanaka Chironga. Awe shawasha. Iswe kushungo pedu takayarutsa. Tavane mazukuru vaviri. Toita basa sebasa. Tombotiza mvura mjana yakuna. Yes, this is PC in Seychelles. Just about to deliver my daughter to her husband. Yes, you'll see more. Enjoy. Me and the queen. We are on our way. This is the Seychelles style. The Chironga Chiyangwa wedding in Seychelles, right? I got my daughter here, man. I'm delivering her now. Yeah. Yeah. What's this thing running away from me? La la la. You can chat. You can have. Yeah.
Hi everyone.
Yes.
The 28th.
Yes.
We're super excited. We're getting there to our ceremony finally after all these years. So wish us luck. See you later. Bye.
Yes. Yeah. So here is Ellen and myself in the buggy from our little villa there. We're off to the venue.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll keep you posted. Enjoy the fun. Today, the 28th.
Yes.
Right. It's the beautiful Seychelles, right out there, that we are at. The Villa Constance, or they call it Philia Constance, something like that. And yeah, Ellen has been involved with this gentleman for the past, what, 7, 8 years? 10 years. They've got 2 kids, the first one being Malik, the second one being Ayana. Beautiful children. Now, yeah, so this is certification. We are men and wife, right? So, yeah, enjoy. We'll give you more. This is PC and his daughter.
because sometimes when you write in advance, you can write things in order to please people, right? You know the right things in order to, right things to say in order to get people to appreciate what you're saying. So as opposed to doing that, I chose instead to speak from the heart. Because today for me is a very emotional and compassionate day, and I felt that anything I would have written would have been prescribed and fake, so I'd rather speak to you as family and friends whom I love dearly. First of all, Dr. Chiyangwa, my Chiyangwa, my brothers and their beautiful wives, my beautiful wife today, my bridal team, friends and family. I need to take time to apologize for what occurred today. We've spent months and months and months planning tirelessly for this day to be perfect. We spent time doing so because for 5 years, right, since our cultural marriage, I promised this day to my wife. The very reason why this day is happening today, I'll give you the background, is because 10 years ago, today, well not today, but 10 years ago in this period we started dating. 5 years ago we got culturally married. So the 10-year aspect for me and the 5-year aspect, as much as things are hard where we come from, as much as it seemed as a complete impossibility to be able to achieve something like this, we were determined. I was determined because my beautiful bride and the people that have raised her deserve for this occasion to have happened. I didn't know how. I didn't know, like it was a lot of question marks, but first and foremost I would say God, our Almighty Heavenly Father, has answered every single prayer. Every single one, from getting people together to getting the right group of people together for you to be sat here today, okay? As Dr. Chiyangwa says, if we were to do it in Zim or do it in Zim later, there will be a bunch of people. 300, 400, 1,000, whatever the number is. But the fact that you're sat here today means that you are truly in our hearts. And we would not have been able to have this occasion without your presence.
Thank you. Yes. So rather than thank individuals, because for me it's just not fair, all of you have somehow contributed to making this possible. So again, I re-emphasize, we thank you all. Especially my bridal team. I mean, they've been amazing. My father-in-law, my mother-in-law, my parents, the key support systems. They've supported us, they've guided us, they've done everything necessary for this to happen. So we really do thank you, Checherimbi, for making all the effort, all the great advice that you've given my wife throughout these years. We're here also due to parts of your contribution, so we thank you. Constance Ophelia. So we, they probably won't want to know this, but there was another hotel we approached called Banyan Tree. And we sent identical emails at the same time describing this wedding and what we like to do. Whilst Banyan Tree took maybe a week to reply, Constance Ophelia team replied within an hour. Thank you so much for your inquiry. How can we help you? What are your ideas? The team behind it, because all of our correspondence has been, V's got an idea, oh, V's got an idea for blue fairy lights. V's got an idea for how the tables should set up. And then we've had to just correspond through email. That's all the interaction we've had. But if it wasn't for Sania, if it wasn't for a lady called Yasmita, if it wasn't for a lady called Virginia, who's been dealing with all of the transport issues, if it wasn't for Constance Ophelia and just their great service and care for what we would like to do, I'll give you a classic example. Even though the initial venue didn't go well, you can ask her, we battled. And we said, okay, maybe it'll rain, maybe it won't rain. But the point of the matter is, that's what she wants. So let's make that happen. And then we'll see from there. So it may not have turned out perfectly initially, but it's the fact that we helped each other to try. And then when it didn't go right, said, okay, how can we try and fix it? And now, at that time, very emotional for the both of us. However, now that we're here, we draw from the positives. Everyone's happy, everyone's smiling. My beautiful bride's dream has, I hope, come true in a way that she is happy.
Look, I got my ring, so.
Yes. Yes. We are walking from the main convention center. Nicola, at the wedding.
At the wedding in the Seychelles.
With PC, the king of selfies. Whoa, whoa. That's my Chiyangwa in the red dress there. Nicola on the right, and mine on the left.
No, I'm not my name. That's not my name.
Ah, my daughter there.
Rakanaka irosuva rangakate nakulashe moyo wangu arashako utamano kosei ranaka 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 rajesu wa tanisha
Fakose mwana arora wangu fakose ese neshamwari dzenyu pandaikurawo ndaive ndichiti kuna mukomanawo shamwari yenyu tozvinomanje atova mukuwasha kuti agara ndari kusaidi kwenyu ndakamuona paichatatari paya So the time I now know Reseva Kaidu Wakuash. Ini ndakazvako ini ndakazvarwa muimba dzakawanda same mother same father but vakaita vana vavo 14 inini ndakanga ndiri number 7 masariro ataita manje tasara 3-4 ini ndini ndamukuru ndichitedzerwa naiye uyu nemumwe asipo vaviri vasipo pana toka tasara 3-4 mufamily yazvarwawo Ellen
Tanaka Chironga.
Ndafara kwazvo takukuta tese mari vatungamiri wavo vatoreko handiti amai Chiyangwa nababa Chiyangwa ndamai vako asi vachironga namai Chironga vavako vakafanana naChiyangwa nababa Chiyangwa handiti tete vana vatete vari vadiki ava asinzi itete handitika usarase muzukuru vangambogodora chone ndinombogodora amai vake so asindiri tete handitika saka tinozvikudza muzukuru zvirambe zvakanotari unosoda akanika muzukuru unosoda muzukuru wangu handiti unosoda nomwoyo wakaperera handiti ndinomira newe handidi kudya zvinonzi zvati zvati nekuti inoparangwa asi murume ndinokuda murume tinomuda asi inosoda nemwoyo wese ende zvamaita matofadza pano muzukuru ngazvirambe zvakadaro handiti tinozvikudza amen.
Tinotenda speech ya mashoko atapewa na Tete. I think the newlyweds took that to heart and they're gonna keep that there. I don't know if Tanaka had told you the story of how he met Vanessa and how, you know, he went through the procedure of coaching and the likes. But he asked me to just speak on his behalf and demonstrate to you how he got that going. So I think you guys all know Tanaka is into his music, he's into his rapping. So it had a lot to do with that. And he asked grooms and the guys to give me I wanted
Jesu. Manzwa tichimba tichiti he is a faithful God. Nokuti iro rizuva ratasvitswa naTenzi. Kuda kwaTenzi. Rakarongwa naTenzi. Mwana achizvarwa, vanhu vanouya vachiti nemakorokoto. Baba vachitarisa mwana vachikudza mwana, vanoshuwira kuona mwana wavo achikura. Vagoshuwira mwana kuti adzidze. Vagoshuwira kuti mwana aroorwe. Vagoshuwira kuti mwana agoitawo vazukuru. When we look at all those things, all the boxes are ticked. Because of the grace of God. And turakurebesa. Turakutenda Mwari. Nemukasha wedu watapiwa. Tikotenda Mwari. Nemwana wedu. Ave aita kuti tese tuungane pazuva ranhasi. Ratagodeswa naTenzi. Rakanaka irozuva randakate nakulashe moyo wangu barazako utamano koseizo ranaka 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 rajesu wakandisha
Fakose mwana arora wangu fakose yese neshamwari dzenyu pandaikurawo ndaive ndichiti kuna mukomanawo shamwari yenyu zvono manje atova mukuwasha ndakamuona paichatatari paya ndikaramba ndichimbomuonera ndikatoona kuti so with the time I now know vese vakaiti kuvakuwasha mukoma inini ndakazvarwa ini ndakazvarwa muimba takawanda same mother same father but vakaita vana vavo 14 inini ndakanga ndiri number 7 masariro ataita manje tasara 3-4 ini ndini ndamukuru ndichiteedzerwa naiye uyu nemumwe asipo vaviri vasipo pana tobva tasara 3-4 mafamily yazvarwawo Ellen.
With all the rain we went through, we captured everything.
Wow, how are you? Very good. So are we?
Go to the main one. We don't want the small one.
The reception. Yeah. So how are you doing?
I'm tired.
Are you enjoying yourself?
I'm enjoying myself too.
Yeah, this is me here this morning after the wedding. Yeah. 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 We're going for breakfast. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. With my guru there, Mishi there, Yayana, Lini, Liki. Yeah. Yeah.
This rain.
This is it. But this place rains like hell. Every other moment, 10, 15, 20 minutes, there is some drizzle. Yeah, but it's a beautiful place. The archipelago, the place with 115 islands all together, making up what is called the Seychelles. It's a beautiful place with Kempinski, Hilton Hotel, you name it. All the fancy, beautiful names of across the world.
Yeah.
You've seen that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you been in the boat yet?
No.
This is my daughter Nicola here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Check her out. This is PC right here in Seychelles.
They're taking a selfie.
Yeah. Okay, this is PC. Cheers. Goodbye. Enjoy Seychelles. Did this thing record?